Tool that combines 48 tools into one. Introducing the Tiger Wrench. By simply clicking between the different sizes, you instantly have the tool you need for the job. Think about all the time you've wasted in the past fishing around for the right size tool. With just a few clicks of the Tiger Wrench, you'll have the right tool for the job every time. The Tiger Wrench is fast. Look how quickly the Tiger Wrench can go from one size to the next. As fast as you can click the tool, you've got a new size. And because of the unique revolutionary tooth design, you can do both standard and metric sizes. Simply flip the tool around and you have more sizes. Ordinary wrenches slip on rounded corners. Not the Tiger Wrench. Its specially designed teeth won't slip like ordinary wrenches. Ordinary wrenches can't do 45-degree angles. With the Tiger Wrench, you can easily do 45-degree angles, no problem. The Tiger Wrench is handy, convenient, and saves you time. With this one tool, you can tackle dozens of projects around the house, on the road, in the garage, or on the job. You'll use your Tiger Wrench all the time. The Tiger Wrench is well built and extremely durable. It's a heavy-duty professional tool that's designed to handle up to 300 pounds of torque.
Right Paint Stick Easy Twist, and painting has never been easier. Begin by attaching the universal lid to any standard 1-gallon paint can. Place the Paint Stick Easy Twist on the fill tube, pull back on the handle, and twist. You'll be able to paint up to 64 square feet with just one fill. No more globbing or wasted paint, just perfect one-coat coverage every time. Simply place, pull, and twist for a smooth and even finish every time. No need to worry about spills, drips, and mess, because the Easy Twist Paint Stick is designed to evenly distribute paint from the inside of the roller cover to the outside with just a twist. You can paint an entire 8x8 wall like this in as little as 1 minute. Ceilings used to be a nightmare, but the Paint Stick Easy Twist large 64-inch extension handle makes painting ceilings a snap. Attach the uniquely designed spatter shield for extra mess-free protection and use it as a stop guide for wall-to-ceiling painting. Cleanup takes just minutes. Simply place the Paint Stick Easy Twist back on the fill tube, push the handle in, and the paint goes right back in the can. Flush the handle with water and rinse the roller cover, and you're ready for your next project. The HomeRite Paint Stick Easy Twist is built to last a lifetime.
If you're looking for a drain cleaner with more power in the shower, no kinks in the sink, and that you'll love in the tub, Ridgid has the tool for you. The Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner. With a battery-powered drill and Ridgid's exclusive auto-feed trigger technology, just pull the trigger and the 25-foot kink-resistant cable self-feeds through the drain line quickly and smoothly till it reaches and removes the blockage. Simpler blockages can be handled manually. The Power Spin Plus features a reinforced hand grip for comfort and firm control, a lightweight polyethylene drum that will not dent or rust, and a positively retained cable in the drum prevents cable pullout. When you need to clear the drain without the pain and without the mess, count on the brand with a nearly 100-year history of quality craftsmanship and a full lifetime warranty. The Ridgid Power Spin Plus Drain Cleaner.
That makes it faster and easier to fill your life with the colors you love. The 5000 is primed to handle all your painting needs, especially the long painting projects, like a hallway, a dozen doors, or a large family room. The X-Boost turbine has the power to spray all paints and stains directly from the can, and comes with 2 nozzles, variable power settings, and an on-off switch on the handle, so you can make adjustments on the fly. The base is stationary, so the weight stays on the floor and not in your hand, so you can spray longer with less fatigue. The 11.5-foot hose lets you paint continuously as you move along your large projects. The innovative eye spray nozzle with adjustable paint settings gives you the control to spray almost any surface. In fact, it's 12 times faster than painting with a brush. The versatile 5000 works great outside. With its long reach, it's perfect for staining a fence, tackling your garage, or painting a shed. When the large surfaces are covered, switch to the detail nozzle to get a smooth finish on projects that require more precision. And with just a few parts to rinse off, the 5000 cleans up in only 5 minutes. Pack it away in its own storage case, and enjoy crossing another big project off the to-do list. Add the Flexio 5000 to your DIY tool collection and spray your world with color.
To easily attach conduit connectors. Traditional methods of attaching lock nuts like a screwdriver, pliers, or fingers don't work. Klein Tools' Conduit Lock Nut Wrench turns a complicated operation into an easy 2-hand task. Perfect for hard-to-reach half-inch and 3/4-inch connectors, this Locknut wrench works in deep or tight boxes where pliers and fingers can't. The patent-pending drive shaft design lets you easily loosen and tighten conduit connectors using a stationary twisting motion. Heavy-duty steel construction enables needed torque to loosen or tighten connectors. The innovative Conduit Locknut wrench lets you work smarter, not harder,